Welcome to the eP2P Application User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, user will be guided on how to fill employee requisition form. This form is used to request additional employees for their department. First, from self-service page, navigate to eForms, then go to the employee requisition form. There, user is required to select Job Department Position or JDP, as well as the job grade. Users can fill in the other section with new position to request job that are not in the JDP list. After that, users have to key in all required information. Users can enter special requirements needed for the position as well as the job description. Make sure to enter the date at least 1 month before the required date. Next, users can review the details they provided before applying. Users need to click on the Next button to submit. Once complete, a notification will pop up showing that the application is successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to the user superior for recommendation. Thank you.